Hey, it's July 16th, and I'm celebrating summer by being roughly the sun's color and size. So what do you think? Not going to miss me today. But it's raining a little bit here and there, so at least it keeps a little cool till the sun comes out after the rain. And I walked out the door last night. Oh my goodness, it was the complete muggy. So, but I love the AC. It works out well for me. Some happy birthdays today. We've got Warren and Jacob Garretson, known him since he was little tiny. Doug and Will, and a gentleman that's was one of my dad's friends for years, and just a very good man, a veteran. Did a lot of service for our country. He'll probably never see this, but just think of the veterans as well. But Jack Sanford, and happy birthday, Jack. Another lady, Beverly Scott, a beautiful, proud lady. I just think the world of their family. They're, again, probably not anywhere close to where they'd ever see this, but just two very, very good people. And then McKinzie Ware, happy birthday, McKinzie. She's a little friend from Carl Junction of mine, of the Ware family over there. Then I also have a couple of birthdays that are coming up this weekend that are Facebook friends. And Cindy Martin, used to be Cindy Reynolds, went to school with Cindy a long time ago. And then Cassandra Stanley, Cassie Stanley, she's a year younger than you, than Sam. So happy birthday to Cassie as well. Moving into some other things here. Oh, tomorrow, so you all know and can be assured when you come in here, we're all a bunch of us that need to re-up our CPR. Kenny Ragland's coming in and doing our CPR training for us. We do it every 2 years now, and they change it every dang time. You know, it used to be this, and now it's this, and now, you know, if something happens, I do the last one I was taught. So, so we have CPR training tomorrow for several hours, and then a lot of other stuff going on this weekend. The one thing we were talking about a little bit, and here again I steal from the Reader's Digest, 50 things your dentist won't tell you. Well, we're telling you about insurance. Is that some people don't have insurance. It's not really insurance, it's a benefit. Insurance is if 10,000 people pay in and one person's house burns down, that's insurance. With 10,000 people paying into the dental, that's the everybody needs cleaning. So it's not really insurance, it's a benefit. Use it if you have it. I mean, it's something your company is giving you as one of your benefits, so use it. But what we see is a lot of times is that if people don't have insurance, or if it's going to be more than what the insurance is covering, a lot of times they won't do what they need to do to keep their teeth okay. And I see something, a lot of times, and really many times, something that could be fixed for a couple of $100s, 3 years later they come back in and it needs either to come out, which is terrible, especially if it's one of these guys, but it needs to either come out or have a root canal. And instead of being $200, by the time you have a root canal and maybe build it up and put a crown on it, it's over $2,000 to take care of a tooth that could have been taken care of very easily. So, it's nice to have things that help you, but it's like changing the oil in your car. Insurance doesn't pay to change the oil in your car, but it keeps your car running. Same thing with teeth. If you take care of your teeth and spend the small amount to take care of them before big things happen, you're just so much better off. So give some thought to it. If you got a little something that you've been putting off, get in there and take care of it before it comes something big. Link of the day. Back to some of the neat America's Got Talent. It's just amazing what's been on there this year. I've got 3 to probably put on. We'll put some on before we take off next week. But this one is Barbara Padilla, and oh my goodness, she comes out. She's a cancer survivor. She walks out. She's young, in her 30s somewhere, and she sings. And oh my goodness, does she sing? It's amazing. A beautiful, beautiful voice. So, if you get a chance, sneak over to this link. Go to robheron.com/Barbara Padilla. And we've got it down here. And if you go to robheron.com, it's an actual link. We can't get it to link quite yet in Facebook across, but it's a great. You'll be inspired and you'll love it. Did I cover everything, Sam? We talked about that. robheron.com, and all our birthdays. So we'll see you on Monday, and have a great, safe week. Go to the farm show up at Pittsburgh this weekend. It's happening. So we'll see you.